Expressions on fraction in that next point, showing fractions on the number line. See here scale is given, and between two numbers there are, see how many lines are there in between two numbers. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is shown in dark. 6 7 8 9 10 means in two numbers 10 equal parts is there. And see here 4 upon 10, then from 0 to up to here how much lines are there? Count 1 2 3 4. 4 upon 10. Why 10? Because between two numbers we have divided this in 10 equal parts. That's why in denominator 10 is there. Similarly, see here 3 7 upon 10. 3 means 0 1 2 3 up to here 3. 7 upon 10. Now 7. Count from here up to here 5 is there. 6 and 7. 7 upon 10. Why in denominator 10? Because in between two numbers we have make 10 equal parts. That's why 10 is in denominator. It is easy to mark the fractions 4 upon 10 and 3 7 upon 10 on the number line, because on the scale every centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. All of you know in your scale every centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. See, every centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. In the first number, the fourth mark from 0 shown the fraction 4 upon 10. See, from the 0 this is fourth line 1 2 3 4. That's why we have right here 4 upon 10. The seventh mark of the 10 equal parts of 3 between the number 3 and 4 shown in the fraction 3 7 upon 10. From where we have shown this 3 7 upon 10? In between 3 and 4? No, in between 3 and 4 we have shown here 3 7 upon 10. Suppose, for example, I want to show fraction, for example 5 3 upon 10. Then where I will show this 5 means here 5 is there. 3 upon 10. Count the lines. 1 2 3 means I will show here 5 3 upon 10 means where this fraction comes in between 5 and 6. 5 is here. From 5 count the 3 lines 1 2 3. And why 10? Because each centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Now see, one more example is given. Example, let us show the fractions 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3 and 7 upon 3 on the number line. Now see, in denominator which number is there? 3 3 3. Means each centimeter you can divide into 3 equal parts. On the number line below, every unit is divided into 3 equal parts. Why 3 equal parts? Because in denominator 3 is given. Here in denominator 10 is given. That's why we have divided 1 centimeter in 10 equal parts. And now here 3 is given, means 1 centimeter you can divide into 3 equal parts. Now see here 0 and here 1. How much parts are there? 1 2 3. See 1 2 3. 3 parts are made in each centimeter. Similarly here in 1 and 2. In between 1 and 2 how much parts? 1 2 3. Again in between 2 and 3 1 2 3. 1 2 3. How much parts are divided? 1 centimeter is divided into 3 equal parts. Now you can show 2 upon 3. Where you will show 2 upon 3? 1 2 means here 2 upon 3. 4 upon 3. 1 2 3 4 means here 4 upon 3. Next, 7 upon 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 upon 3. Suppose I want to show 9 upon 3. My example is 9 upon 3. Then where I will show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 upon 3. If you divide 9 upon 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Means answer is 3. Means here my number will come. Next example. Suppose 10 upon 3. Up to here 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 upon 3 I will show here. 10 upon 3. If a fraction has to be shown on the number line, every unit on that number line must be divided into a many equal parts as the denominator of the fraction. Whatever is denominator is that you can divide that equal parts. See, here denominator is 3, that's why we divided 1 centimeter in 3 equal parts. Here denominator is 10, that's why we divide this 1 centimeter in 10 equal parts.